see. So panpsychism or panpsychism postulates that all matter on a universal, primordial, primitive level have ingrained in it on an infinitesimal level some level of consciousness. What's my point for saying this? Panentheism, and then you have animism. Animism postulates that all matter on a fundamental level still possess a spirit and a soul, while hylozoism now, right, posits that, you know, all matter on an infinitesimal level that possesses spirit and a soul is actually alive. It possesses life. It possesses, you know, the animate, the inanimate, the tangible, the intangible, organic or inorganic, possess a spirit and a soul on an infinitesimal molecular level. That's the animistic interpretation. Hylozoism now postulates that all these things are alive.